that little ass belt on. That bitch should work. We ain't whining. You feel me? Belt wet like a motherfucker now. I don't know how long I'm gonna take this ride out. I'll pull that radiator out. Big ass mess. I try to, you feel me? Keep it from doing that. But put this new radiator in. You feel me? Hey man, y'all wish me the luck, man, with all these belts. We got another belt on the way. This motherfucker's a 48.5, which is small, so we're willing to take a 49 to a 50 for sure. You feel me? Nothing bigger, nothing too little. It's gonna cry. So this is a 48 and a half. And then that's for the alternator, or for AC. So I'm about to go slap this thing on, man. Hope I see y'all soon out there, man. Y'all hold it down, man. Appreciate y'all out there, man. Y'all stay in contact, stay reaching out, man. Appreciate you. For sure. Got my baby back together, you understand me? Hey, man, hard times, man. One day we gonna shine, man. Long as you keep on grinding, man. And that's what time do, man. Niggas that succeed and win, man. What we do, man, we never quit, man. So don't never quit, man. Just because everybody told you no, that means you probably need to go down a different road, you understand me? Don't even change the road, nigga. Keep going down that same road, nigga. Keep on stepping, nigga. Cause something happen, nigga, till that blessing come in, you understand me? Keep on stepping, young man, old man, blessed man, black man. Keep on doing your motherfucking thing. You understand me? That road gonna get riches one day. Straight up. That road gonna get, you feel me? I'm done readjusting my, you feel me? All light, looking straight. Straight again. These things pretty cheap. This one stripped. Go buy another one. Probably go take it back. Get my money back. There's only one on strip. I'm over here working on sis shit, changing out the brakes. Working, man. It's Sunday. Understand that? Sunday fun day. Out here working on this beauty thing. Push these damn brakes. Look at that. She down. Ain't no more brake on this motherfucker. She down to the metal. When she grounded, she need a new rotor. Get that motherfucker resurface or something. Look at that thing. Rotor's over with. Brake back. That front is gone. Push the calipers in. Push them calipers all the way in. Got a little rubber sticking out. What I did there. Put the plastic right here. I think that keep the air from going in. So I ain't gotta bleed them after I put the brakes back together. I saw something on that like one time. Hopefully I'm doing it right. That was a while back. I just hope I ain't gotta bleed these motherfuckers. I don't wanna do. That's right. I won't never do. But here goes nothing.